Welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Yes, I am here again to react on a video and a post that some people made. That's a comment some people made on my video. But before then, I have to address one thing, and that thing is the recent video of Chiamaka Ajere, where he called my name with his voodoo. All right. And he made it clear that some people called his attention that there's this one guy that you need to include him in his egg juju, and he did. And for doing that, Chiamaka Ajere, I don't care if you claim that you don't watch my video, you don't even know me, right? I don't care. One thing I have to tell you is this is my response to you. You have done your own. It is time for me to do mine. And as a Christian, I'm a Roman Catholic. Okay? So this hour, for you, Chiamaka Ajere, and anyone that advised you to go after me, the person that made the comment, the person that called my name, doesn't matter how many there are, whoever the person may be, I am speaking this hour. I'm calling on my God, the God of creation, the God who knew me before I was born, the God who made everything to appear into existence, and the God that sees us anywhere we are. Eroi. I'm calling on him this morning, this afternoon, this evening, depending on time zone. I praise you, God. Don't remain silent. Wicked people and liars have attacked me. They tell lies about me and they say evil things about me, attacking me for no reason. They oppose me even though I love them. And I have prayed for them. They pay me back evil for good and hatred for love. Chose some corrupt joys to try all my enemies, and let one of their own enemies accuse them. May they be tried and found guilty. May even their prayers be considered as a crime. May your declaration, Chiamaka Ajere, be considered as a crime. May your movement and your pronouncement, your invocation, your incantation, your enchantment may be considered as a crime by God that created the whole universe. May the gods who command sun, who in charge of moon and stars, the air and water, the land and humanity, may he consider your oppression, your activities as a crime. May his life be ended. May their life soon be ended. May someone else take their job. May someone else take their job and whatever that give them values. Whatever that make you and your cohort happy. May your children become orphans. Any one of you that rise against me, blackmailing me, calling me, and in your own invocation for no just reason. I have never ever attacked you. I never ever say evil things or pronounce any negative against you. But everything you have done and what you have said, according to this psalmist, okay, I am invoking this power in these psalms at this hour against you and your cohorts. Those in comment section, those that are pushing you, those that are behind what you are doing, as they gathered, may they scatter. As long as they mean evil. But if they commented out of ignorance, maybe they don't know, may they be exempted. But you that carried out the actions, may this world be your portion. May their wife be a widow, and may their husband be a widower, in case if there is a woman among you. May there be homeless beggars. May they be driven from the runs they live in. May their creditor take away all their properties. And may strangers get everything they have worth for. May no one ever be kind to them or care for the orphans they leave behind. May all their descendants die, and may their name be forgotten in the next generation. May the Lord remember the evil of their ancestors. May the Lord remember the evil of your ancestors, and never forgive your mother's sins. May the Lord always remember the sins. May the Lord always remember their sins, but may they themselves be completely forgotten. That man, those women, those your cohorts, they never thought of being kind. They persecuted and killed the poor, the needy, and helpless. They love to curse, may they themselves be cursed. You love to declare, invoke word. May that evil that you're invoking, may it be your portion. They cause as natural as they dread themselves. May their own causes soak into their body like a water. They love to curse, may they be cursed. They hate to give blessing, may no one bless them. They curse as natural as they dread themselves. May their own curses soak into their body like a water, and into the bones like an oil. May they cover them like a cloth, and always be around them like a belt. Lord, punish all my enemies in that way. Those who say such evil things, those who use eggs and do the invocation and pronouncing my name in their evil practices. Those who do evil things against me, but my sovereign Lord, help me as you have promised, and rescue me because of the goodness of your love. We are poor and needy. We are hot to the depth of our hearts. Rescue me and those your children that evil ones are invoking evil and casting spells on their names. May you rescue us all. Rescue all from their evil plans and plots. But our sovereign Lord, help us as you have promised. We are poor and needy. We are hot to the depth of our hearts. Like an evening shadow, we are about to vanish. We are blown away like an insect. Our knees are weak from lack of food. We are nothing but skin and bone. When people see us, they laugh at us. They shake their head and scorn. Help us, O Lord, our God, because of your constant love, save us. Make our enemies know that you are the one who saves us. They may curse us, but you will bless us. May our persecutor be defeated. May those who vow to persecute your people and your children out of whatever that may be his reasons, may that evil, those who are behind any demonic move, may that person be persecuted. May they all be defeated. And may your children, may I and your people and your children, may we all, your servants, may we be glad. May our enemies be covered with disgrace. May they wear the shame like a rope. We will give last thanks to the Lord. We will praise him in the assemblies of his people, because he defends the poor. Because he defend the poor and save them from those who condemn them to death. In the mighty name of Jesus Christ. I am reading this verse not because I don't know how to use alligator pepper, but Chiamaka Jere is still key in what he's doing now is not actually his practice. Like, that is not where he belongs. All right, he's forcing himself to what he's doing, but where he lies is, all what he has been practicing is why. That's why I have to use the Bible, and like I said, not because I don't know how to use alligator pepper. And do what you think you are doing. Okay, I can do it better than you. But the truth is that I have to give it to you just to push back everything. For the fact that you include me, everything you have done is going back to you. As long as those people that you mentioned, that their hands are clean, they did not commit what you are talking about. Like me, to come after me is laughable. And for that singular act, everything you are saying about other people will bounce back on you in a millionfold. You say you're saying it with anger, really, even when you are not, when you don't have when you are not upright, you are not upright because you are lying against people. Even though you perceive that people lied against you, you don't need to transfer that kind of thing on other people, to lie against other people for you to prove that you have been lied to. I mean, people are using your name to lie or something like that. You don't need to. Any one of them that are saying he say they're a peteka, all of you will be a peteka. You have to, receive your own quota. Anyway, I made a video yesterday, and that video is about one individual from the US camp lying with everything in him, claiming that PM is do this and do that. And I said it in the beginning of the video, that calm down and watch, because I already know how our people react on this kind of video. I gave that as a warning, that watch the video with your eyes open. Listen to what he's saying with your ears open, your eyes, everything. Be very, 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 ready to hear what he will say. That everything he said here is a lie. One of the reasons why I want you to listen to that, for you to see how gullible people can be and how determined some of our brothers and sisters can be when they want to push, lie, and deceive people. I made it clear. I said, don't worry, don't take it to heart, just watch it, you understand, and tell me what you think about that video. Some of you actually understand what you understood it, but some people don't follow it the way I said it. Some, I don't know if they skip the beginning part of the early part of the video, and they did not listen to that part where I sent that warning that you should not misunderstand the video. Then our brother begin to comment. Some of us begin to comment with some comment that is very, very, I don't want to say irritating, but the comment somehow prove that you don't watch the video from the beginning, like I said. And let me see if I can play that video so that you yourself, you will understand why I said you should just watch it with one eye. Okay, let me see if the video can be played here. I don't know if it's possible. Okay, because I'm trying to play from my studio, but let me see if let me go to the main homepage and play that video so that you understand what I said at the beginning of the video. Then some of the comments, some people said, why are you playing this kind of, bringing this kind of audio here? Somebody's lying and using, PM and genuine people to make, to lie and cook up stories. And you expect me not to react on that? If I'm to play that video and started debunk, just to debunk it from beginning, you end up having 1 hour plus video. All right?
This is DOS member, and
listen.
One thing they're known for is lie, and that lie it is so obvious. Anyway, I don't want to say more, but just have in mind that you are listening to falsehood. Okay, that does not mean that the guy is not doing something to sabotage or to destroy Biafrans and wishing PM bad, or maybe they have worked or he have contributed somehow, with the questioning that.
Now, this part is the early part of that video, what I said before posting the video. And that thing, I said it because I knew that some of you will still come back and start complaining. Or why will you say this? You don't need to say this now. Why must you post this video here? Do you understand? Someone said, let me pick few of them. That this our brother, his own is somehow irritating. He said, do not mind this guy. I know him. Okay, that one. This one is somebody is telling me that he know the guy, and he said, "Hey, this one, John. Somebody. His name is Johnson." He said, "Posting voice note of somebody castigating Simon Ekpa means you are helping them against Simon." Do you understand that? Posting voice note that is against Simon Ekpa is simply means that I'm helping them. Do you know how many groups and platforms they have shared this video and this audio rather, and they're sharing it because they want it to hurt you. They want to hurt your feelings. So if you buying into that idea, it simply means that you are somehow, you made yourself vulnerable for them to use you and to achieve what they actually wanted to achieve. But when I sharing it here is to prove to them that this is not a hidden, this is not secret, that we understand what you're playing here. If I'm to explain everything in that video, it would be, in fact, I cannot do it here while recording video. It should be something that I can do, when I'm live, streaming live, then I can say what I want to say about it, because there's a lot. The guy even he contradicted himself in many occasions. Everything about that video is nonsense. And to crown it all, somebody commented and he said, "Please do not mind this guy. I know him very, very well. He is a nobody." And after listening to that audio, if you are provoked, it simply means that you are unable to analyze people like this, because it is very obvious that he's a nobody. Somebody who claimed that he went to Finland and bring Finnish people to Nigeria and started carrying them to village to do investigation. As who? As Nigerian diplomat or what? And he did that against Nigerian state, because remember, he told you that PM is working for Nigeria. Then he said he went back, they traveled back to Finland, and he appeared in the court. As who? In the court, he told PM, "No, na bia bomba ni ada sai, na de zonki, na de bomba." In the courtroom. Then, in the same audio, he said that he lives in Jerusalem. That in Israel, where he lives, in Jerusalem. So, are you living in Jerusalem or you are living in Finland? Who are you? Somebody that now keep on hyping himself, praising himself, giving himself all manner of title. People that talk and do. People that these are things you can only see from people who have ulterior motive, people who don't understand what they want. And another person said, "Brother, please, this kind of message does not add up, but it is destroying. We don't like to hear this kind of message because it's destroying many people's faith and confidence in quest to Biafra." Yeah, that is not intentional. I posted this video, this audio, for you to see the lies that people who claim they are fighting for Biafra with you, what they can do to achieve what they want. They can lie with everything. Some of us know PM already. So if somebody tell you that PM will say that kind of thing, or say that he's a content creator, you accept that he's a content creator. How can you? I mean, I'm surprised that some of you actually buy to that if somebody said that PM told you or said to finish authority in the court that he is a content creator, you actually believe that he said that. No, come on. Somebody said this guy have really meant problem. Ha ha ha. I don't know what you mean by that. So it is trying this. Kai was also bought over by this criminal coup plotters. Ogenkere that they bought me over. So I don't know how much they paid me. Maybe he can explain better. Like just for you to see how criminal minded this people can be. He posted this and copied it and replied to himself that he's one communicating. This is how they will comment, and they will use different accounts and start giving themselves like. So people will see, oh, many Biafrans actually like this comment that this person made. But they are the one doing this because their intention and what they're known for is always criminal. And some of them don't understand that we know, people that are committing, crime or criminals. We know them when we see one. Okay, and these ones they are replying to the guy. So for those of you that see it, and maybe you felt so bad when you listen to that audio, you shouldn't feel bad because it's a lie. It is not true. Don't expect any. And I cannot believe that somebody will actually, after listening to this, you believe that this is true. How? We don't need all these stupid voice notes, please. Okay, another person. You see, let me see the reaction of you, some of you on this video, because if the reaction continues, then I will stream live using that audio to point out everything one by one, for you to see how he lied. And let me actually play. I didn't expect. Let me play some parts. I just drag the video for you to know. Listen, I just drag the video. Listen.
This guy is one of their criminal gang. Look at where he was placing you. Everything was there. Gentle Yahoo, one of the killer, where he was placing him. That Noga, this is. Nigeria government Nigeria blocks now. All the whole means Haji sent they go to the Islamic Bank. But all the way there, and they so to have for since 2022. Haji are committed their criminality. I just say Moneba, are you a soldier?
He can't even remember what he want to say. All right? I didn't. Are you a? So now Finland is the one investigating a crime that Nigerian government are committing on our people. Okay, so what do you think that Nigerian government have committed against our people that is hidden? Because everything is public domain. Do you actually need the investigation to point out what they have done to our people? I don't think so. You don't need any investigation because it is very, very open. Even these few days of 1 month plus now that PM has been called for questioning, only the crime committed in our land is enough. Okay? And Amnesty International have series of records that will facilitate your so-called investigation. You conclude it in a space of hours. You don't need days. You don't even need weeks. Because go to Amnesty International and lay hands on the record they have against Nigeria. Those records is just there for decoration. Nobody's gonna work with it.
Also, no, he's a content creator. What is the badge? Finland badge, soldier badge. You know the badge? Doing in the uniform you wear. You can wear combat, but you don't put badge.
He's here, still pushing the lies of DOS because this guy is not intelligent. He's not educated. Okay, because he claimed that PM is not a soldier, that he is not a lawyer. Some that is even in Google. Go and check Finnish report. You see how they address PM. All those professions they are there. Ask anybody that have been in Finland if PM is a lawyer or not. It is there. Even in Nigerian news, they have confirmed it that truly he is a politician, he is a lawyer. But DOS, they will sit in their house and imagine what they want, the way they want it to be, not the way things are, the way they want. I wish that this guy will run mad. they will come back, they will on the camera. That guy, he's a madman. He ran mad. So this is something that he's wishing, not reality. But they will come out and speak and say it the way in such a way that you will think that it is real, that thing is already existing. But this is just mere
That
wishes.
one is 15 years imprisonment. It's called treason.
How did he know how many years Finland gives in such offense? He's not a lawyer. He's not a Finnish citizen. He don't even live in Finland. But he's telling you that for you to wear camouflage, that you are a military man when you are not, and you claim that you have badge when you are not, is a 15 years imprisonment in Finland. How did he know that? He just cooked up story. Something that he desired to see, something that he want to see that thing happening to PM. That is what he's telling you here. Listen, not, but he's saying, putting it as if it's real. It is real. That is how it is. That is where it's meant to be. It's a lie.
Are you a lawyer? You claim to be a lawyer in Finland, or senior a lawyer. Another 50 years imprisonment. Or how many years now? 30 years.
Do you hear that? Oma Tojo. Oye, really. He's here telling, you see how he just cooked up 30 years imprisonment. Now, I'm uniform. We fake badge. He's not an army. He's Finland don't know him. That is 15 years. Now he said that he's a lawyer. That he's not a lawyer. Another 15 years. So every lie you test according to this guy's imaginary Finnish constitution is always 15 years. And is PM a lawyer or not? Ask your Google. Ask Google. Or look for any other person that's not even IPOB member that can research for you. Ask. If I don't even know that PM is heading to his PhD degree, that he's studying, he's still in school, pursuing his PhD degree, doctorate. Sorry, yeah, doctorate degree. Is it doctorate? Yeah, not PhD, doctorate degree. That's what I saw that in Nigerian news. So these people love to lie with everything in them. All right. What he said is what he wished to happen. He wished that to happen to PM. The way he pictured PM, he pictured the case, and he imagined that to be real. This flight imagination. There are some people that are good at activating it just like that, and they will run with it and try to drag everybody together as they're moving. I'm not here to analyze this video, but for the sake of some of us that are kind of worried, what are you saying? I don't like what is going on. The way you say it, the way it is now, I feel somehow we need that kind of feelings is not good. And I'm here to tell you, if you are having that kind of feeling, please delete it from your mind. Now, to end this video, somebody made this comment. He said, what I'm doing each time I'm writing on comment is always negative comment. Good ones are numbered as bad ones. So I'm just trying to highlight it because I know that some of us, there are some people that may feel the same way these people are feeling. That's why I have to address it. You are just lying, brother. Somebody is replying me. You are just lying, brother. But I tell you, time is coming. The money you think you are making from YouTube by false propaganda against Biafra, you will lose everything. Biafra will run away from your social media. People like you, I have just answered you. You are a partaker in the Bible verse that I just read for you, and I pray with it. And for this comment, you are a partaker. Why will you be a partaker? Because you said I'm doing propaganda. Do you know what the meaning of propaganda? Propaganda is somebody when you cook up stories and make it look like it is real for you to achieve your desired goal. That is propaganda. But when I brought out something that you yourself have written with your hands, what you have said, maybe in a video or recorded audio, that belong to you, and I devote time to analyze it, to see how I can make meaning out of it. It's not propaganda. It is me analyzing what you said, not me adding things to what you said. But you choose to call it propaganda because maybe my analysis expose what you want to hide or hidden things in your message. Because some people may put a write up like catchphrase like man must do what they want to do to survive. But after putting that, the action or the crime that you commit after that or during the time that you made this post could be buying somebody to make money. Do you understand it? But you don't have the nerves to type to in that your post and said man must buy people to make money. But you said man must do something they have to do to make money. This is you passing information of what you can do and encouraging yourself or to console yourself for the crime that you have committed or you intend to commit. Do you understand it? So, at the course of my analysis, I may bring that thing the real meaning that you intend to pass in that message that you actually encouraging or encouraging yourself to commit crime. But you know that it's a crime. That's why you cannot come out and put it the way it is. Hey guys, I am a crime committer. I have committed this crime because man must do what they have to do to survive. That is what analysis can solve. But if you choose to call it propaganda, it shows the level of your reasoning. Now, he said, you think you are making money on YouTube. I don't even know how much are they making me on YouTube. How many special do I receive here? Nobody will give me special apart from few people that give me super chats sometime. Go and watch how people that are doing, I don't want to mention other things. Some people make a whole lot of money on social media through super chat alone. Their friends don't give super chat, right? They do if they fail. And when they give, don't expect them to keep on giving you. This is not me complaining, no. But this idea of, oh, you're making money on YouTube, have you asked yourself how much are they actually making on YouTube? Do you know that making video about Biafra is not because of money? There are other things that if for example, go and check people that are making video, reacting on Nigerian celebrity news, gist, gossip news. Go and check the rate of the growth of that channel or the number of views they can generate. Go and check the speed at which they grow their platform and compare it with someone who is doing Biafran agitation. Today, in Biafran movement, you see somebody will follow you. Oh, mass, they will be clapping for you. Once you did not support who they want you to support, they will stop watching your video. They will run away. So your content is limited. This issue of Biafra news or Biafran video, making content of Biafra and something like that, is a limited content. People who are doing other things are not limited. You understand? But as long as you are into Biafran issue, your content is a limited content. There's a limit that you get. You cannot pass that level. Go and check people that are making content about Biafra during the time that Mayego started. Then go and check Mayego and those ones. So if you know, you know, and this video is not about teaching you on what the differences or in about age and content. No, I'm here to debunk comment. So that is all I have for you at the moment, and thank you so much for your time. Please be strong. People who want to, if you want to keep on breaking eggs and doing voodoos, I'm not here to stop you, but whatever you do, you calling my name, I'm speaking for myself. As long as you are calling my name in your voodoo, sorry, you will receive it back in a millionfold. Everything, all this day of pronouncement will come back to you. I'm a commoner. they got to call them some people. I understand, but I cannot use because that you are going through, you are running mad already, and allow you to keep on committing those acts. No, 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 no. That's not how it was. So my prayers, stand, and that is how it will be. Thank you so much for your time, and God bless you. Bye bye for now.